So heat 2 then, of the BP heat 3, heat 3. BP Grassing, sponsor Class 1s. And it's Simon Kershaw. Pen 975 then from Joe Baxter in this one. Joe's had a couple of wins so far, so Joe will be trying to make an impression there. North Wales 50. That's Rich Owen in that one. And here comes Joe Baxter though down the inside. Those two pretty much neck and neck down the straight there. Joe's just having to back out of it and let Simon get through. So third place then SR81, Jake Whittingham. And Dan Leverton runs fifth at the moment. Hit title with the front Joe Baxter. Looks like connected on the back of Simon Kershaw there. All the way through that corner he was touching the bumper. So Simon Kershaw, last lap, I don't know if he's spinning, it looks like he's doing something then, unless he's pulling his rip off. Thought he was pumping his fist like he would, but so Simon Kershaw comes through. It looked like he was sort of slowing down, but in some ways he's got faster, so he takes the win in Pen 975, Spalding 36 second, North Wales 50, Star 81 and Nottingham 33.